This bike's a clean bike, it's a clean bike. This bike's a clean bike, it's a clean bike. This bike's a clean bike, ain't no room for backstabbers. This bike's a clean bike, a clean bike. No room for liars on this clean bike.
No room for liars.
No room for liars on this clean bike.
No room for liars.
No room for backsliders, no room for backstabbers. This bike is clean bike, it's clean bike. Howdy partners. Lovely day. 12 degrees. Almost a breath of spring in the air. Beautiful. You can feel the power of the sun powering up now as it ascends the sky. And I know that sun's gonna shine on this bike, 'cause this bike's a clean bike, it's a clean bike. This bike's a clean bike, it's a clean bike.
Yes, Lord.
This bike's a clean bike, this bike's a clean bike. This bike's a clean bike, it's a clean bike. Got much too many clothes on today. Come out with woolly jumpers and woolly scarves on. I had to tie it all around on the bike. So I'm sweating like a pig. But there's one good thing though. That's this bike's a clean bike, it's a clean bike. This bike's a clean bike, it's a clean bike. Oh, shut up. That's what they do though, that's what happens. You get out on the bike, kill yourself for a bit, and all the natural painkillers, the histamine starts flowing, and you get all euphoric. And the next thing you know, you're singing, I got a clean bike, got a clean bike. No room for liars on this clean bike. No room for backslider, no room for backstabber. Clean bike, this clean bike, it's a clean bike.
Clean bike.
On top of the hill it's still cold enough for snow, but it's all melting away. Not black ice like it was last time, just a bit of slush. Funny, the weather said it's going to be rainy all today, but it's been quite nice. Not always perfect, are they, the weather forecasts? Thank God. And if it's like this all the way down, then we have to go another way. No thanks going down the hill on this slush. You go in the snow or you go in the mud and get splattered. This bike is a clean bike, clean bike. This bike is a clean bike, it's a clean bike. This bike is a clean bike, this bike is a clean bike. This bike, it's a clean bike, it's a clean bike. Like somebody squirting dirty water in your face with a squidgy bottle or something. See, this side of the hill's facing sideways, that's why there's no snow on here. It's all a bit soggy as well. This bike is a clean bike, clean bike. This bike is a clean bike, it's a clean bike. This bike, it's a clean bike. This bike, it's a clean bike. This bike, it's a clean bike. It's a clean bike.